would mention that the winners, if this bill is enacted into law, number one is likely to be the government, because it will be the biggest winner under the proposed Finance Bill 2023, because it is likely to raise an additional 100 billion in revenue for the government, which may be used for delivery of essential services, including health care, education, and infrastructure. Large businesses will also benefit, because there is a proposal, actually, which I did not touch in the main presentation, to reduce the rate of corporate tax from 30 to 25%, and this could save large businesses millions of shillings in taxes. The high-income earners are also likely to benefit from the proposed Finance Bill 2023, because the bill proposes to increase the personal income tax threshold, which means that high-income earners will pay less tax on their income. The low-income earners and small businesses, as well as the consumers, are perceived to be possible losers, because they constitute the majority. For example, the low-income earners are likely to be affected by the reduction, or rather the increase of the rate of VAT, general rate of VAT on services and goods is increasing from 16 to 18%, which means that the cost of living for low-income earners will be increased. And so is the petroleum, which I discussed earlier. Small businesses are also likely to be affected because there is a proposal to increase the excise duty on tax on cigarettes and alcohol, which will increase the cost of doing business for small-scale businesses, and consumers are likely to be affected by the proposed changes. However, the government has a very good opportunity between now and the time the matter is discussed in the National Assembly to even deepen the public participation through the various arms of government, particularly the executive arm, the Ministry of Interior and Coordination and National Administration, should be able to educate mwananchi so as to see the benefits which are contained in this particular finance bill, and also to engage the industry players, the various associations which are involved, such as KEPSA, the Union of Teachers, both the primary and secondary school, and the Civil Servants Union, and all the other stakeholders, including the Kenya Association of Manufacturers and KOTU, for example, trade unions, all other trade unions, name them, so as to get a middle ground and ensure that the good proposals are not lost because of one proposal which has not been well understood. And the best way of selling that is to explain the benefits of the mobilization of savings and the measures that the government will put in place to ensure that those funds are saved.